Gold and silver yesterday traded bearish as expected. As predicted, gold moved close to 2350 levels and silver has also seen the lows at 2740 and recovered today. It is an important day. We will see lot much of volatility. The PCE data coming in from US later in the day should bring lot much of volatility. Thus, whatever trade you are taking, you should be taking with the trailing stop loss. What to expect today, how to profit today, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. And this is the first update for the day. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. And do not miss to watch the next update before the PC data before the US session. Let's start. First, gold. Gold on the hourly charts, if you look at it, was trading bearish here, drop, retracement drop. Now, after forming lower lows, it is now in the retracement path. It is very, very important for it to break beyond 2480, 82 zone. That will be the first resistance zone, and beyond that we can expect it to move towards 2390 levels possibly, which is going to be the first resistance. And as I said and shared yesterday, only bullish consideration for gold today is if it trades about 2400, which is going to be a major mark. If you look at the formation on the hourly charts, very good base is created. Now see, look at these candles coming from the lows. It has seen the highs and it is now consolidating, so possibly the next candle or next to next candle might take it further, but we have to wait for a clear breakout. Stochastic is overbought. MACD hitting the lows here, trying to rise, looking upwards. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. What has happened? Prices have just retraced towards the 20 period moving average and getting a good resistance here. See, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. That is what it's done. And it is getting a good resistance here. That also makes 2380 is a good resistance. And see, if it breaks beyond 2380, possibility of it moving towards close to 2390, 2392, or in fact 2400 will be strong here. If you look at stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, look at the MACD. After retracing, it is now converging here. So a crossover here can lead to stronger momentum for a little while. RSI running flat. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, you can see a reversal signs. Since the reversal, we have seen one stronger candle. This is a sideways candle. Once the next candle appears, possibly that might take it on the upside. Possibility is there, but on the upside we have to remember a couple of facts. See, first thing is, right now it is delivering lower highs, lower lows. It needs to break beyond 2380, so a buying entry at 2380 can be taken. But again, at 84, 85, 23, 90, 92, and then 2400 are going to be the three resistances it needs to break. If you look at the near term charts, what has happened here? See, the drop here, retracement. The drop here, retracement. Possibility of a retracement exists. How high? Now, the slower it moves towards the target, the more lower is going to be the target here. So, if even if it breaks beyond 2400, that move beyond 2420 will confirm the reversal. As long as 2420 is not taken, for the day and for the near term, we have to be cautious here. Stochastic rising, MACD is also forming double bottom here. It may converge crossover for the buys. RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at, see here also we can see a stronger base getting created here below 2360 levels, and see the drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to break beyond 2380, 82 zone, which will confirm its further rise. And then beyond that, certainly you can expect a little more rise towards 2385, 85, 84, and then 2390 levels. Beyond that is also possible towards 2390 to 94, and then 2400 levels. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. See, it has almost formed a double bottom. Let's see if it crosses over from the current levels. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join the signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's now see on the daily charts, as I have mentioned yesterday. See, look at the preceding candle, the stronger pullback, and yesterday was a breakout, and that is why I have mentioned that this is a breakout. This may continue here on the downside. Now, also very clearly I have mentioned, look at these candles here, look at the support here. Till 2350, it has got a stronger support, tremendous support. It has respected the support levels. That is one part to it. Next is, see, it has respected the median of the Bollinger Bands, the 50 period simple moving average, And if you look at it, is formed a tail today and forming higher lows, it is trying to rise. So possibility of a retracement. On the downside, where is the real bearishness? See, on the downside, the real bearishness is only and only if gold trades below 2350 levels. Below 2350 is where you can say now it is turning bearish. As long as 2350 is not taken, we have to be very cautious here. Prices may show a good swing here. On the upside, as I said, till 2400 you have to be cautious. If you look at the stock, I think this is oversold. See, MACD has crossed over here. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish, and a possibility of it continuing on the downside exists strong, because see, the face is wide here, and it suggests that there could be little momentum on the downside. So what possibly could happen, that we may see a rise or a retracement till the data comes in, and with the data, possibility of a drop will be strong here. If you see, it is staying or resisting below 2400. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, first thing is where now I will recommend a buying at 2380, and those who want to risk further can buy at 2376 levels as well. But we have to be careful. 2380, 2384, 85, 2390, and then 2392, 94. Very stronger resistances I am sharing here. And then 2400, 2402. If at any point of time gold breaks beyond 2400, 2402, there will be momentum on the upside where the prices will trade towards 2412 and 2420 levels. Only bullishness today is if it breaks beyond 2422 levels, then you can say gold is reversed completely and it is going to fly high, else it is still not trading in the bullish zone. On the downside, where to sell? I will recommend a selling entry. You can take a sell at 2368, but again 2364 first support levels, 2364, 62. Below that, we may see it getting support from 2357, 58, and then 2350, 52. Till 2350, 52, extremely strong support exists here for gold. Below 2350, we are looking forward to a good sharp drop towards 2340 first target, 2330 the next target, and in fact 2320 levels is what I will be looking forward to. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at. Now see what silver has done today. You can see it has breached 28 levels, and 2810 is where it is getting the first resistance. I have mentioned yesterday that 28, 2820 is going to be very strong resistance. Look at the formation here today. It has breached this. So now we have to wait for it to trade above 28 again, which will be the confirmation. The 28, 2810, if it breaches, I will look forward to 2830, 2850 levels as the next target. Right now, what has happened? See, prices were divergent here. It has waited for the moving average to come down. It has moved towards the moving average, getting the resistance, trying to reverse. The stochastic is also looking down. The MACD is divergent. MACD is looking upwards. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 2-hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see, look at the preceding candle. Major swing was seen in here, and the pivot is right now at 2780, which is going to be a very good support here. 2780, 2775 zone. So as long as it respects this, possibility of a recovery will be strong. Now why it has moved towards 2810 earlier? Look at the moving averages. These are looking downwards. Prices were divergent here. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Now it can again give it a try for it to move towards 2820 levels. Possibility exists strong, but right now it is getting a very stronger resistance here at 2810 zone. Stochastic looking down. The MACD, look at the MACD from the bottom on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to a rise. We have to be watchful. This crossover can confirm a reversal or a rise for a little while. You can see this wave, it can deliver the same wave before falling. So now if it crosses over and trades about 28, possibly we can look forward to 2820 first, 2820, 2830 first, and 2850 levels are also possible. Stochastic coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hours. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation is seen where we can see higher lows, higher highs. And right now, I think as long as 2760 is not taken, we should not be considering silver for a sell. Below 2760, we are not going to consider it for a buy here. And specifically below 2740, we are looking forward to a drop towards 27. Possibility is there that if it crashes here on the downside, it is going to bring a stronger move. Why? Look at the formation here. Very simple. The drop here, sideways movement or retracement, then a drop. Now it is forming a sideways movement and a retracement. Now if it retraces, how high it could fly? it can possibly move towards 2850, 2880 zone before falling. This is one possibility you should not ignore. Stochastic is rising. The MACD has traded bearish. It is not converging here. We have to wait for a crossover here. The RSI is showing a rise here coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, look at the 4-hour chart. See preceding two candles, swing candle. I expect that the current candle might also turn green soon, as long as it respects higher lows, as long as it respects 2760. The possibility of this turning green soon, which means again it might trade above 28. And look at the 20 period. This is trading at 2850, and the probability of silver moving towards 2850 will be high. Stochastic is rising, good sign for the bulls. The MACD is bearish here. It has to converge, which means the current candle has to be a greener candle. RSI is oversold. Coming to daily charts, if you look at daily charts, now what has happened on the daily charts, we have seen silver is starting on a bearish note. We have seen it hitting the lows at 2760, and since then it is confining its movement within the zone without taking a direction. What has happened? See, yesterday after consolidating, it has given a breakout, a flat top and a sharper correction. Now see, both the candles stayed outside Bollinger Bands. The bands are expanding. Today there is a possibility of it to retrace or consolidate its position. Lower highs, higher lows, possibility of it moving on the upside towards 28, 40, 50 exists. And in fact 2880 cannot be denied here. But again, this is going to be a swing day. Possibly the hitting the highs, it can reverse as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is trading with a strong bearish momentum, and RSI is at bottom. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 28, expect 2810, 2820 as the first resistance zone. In fact, we may see 2840, 50 the next resistances. Beyond 2850 is where little bullishness will be seen towards 2875, 80. And on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2760 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 2740. Now, if it trades below 2740, you can say more bearish momentum should prevail, where we will look forward to $27 levels as the next target. Below 27, the chances of silver moving towards 2660 levels will be high here. These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. If it can rise strongly, it can fall sharp as well. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the data. Just subscribe and press the bell icon, or join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.